student drw.dot is a template. Open this file. So this is template. Okay, then insert drawing views model. This document gives you step by step how to make drawings. All right. So insert the drawing views model. Insert drawing view model. See, it's F5.148. If nothing here, you can browse. Pick the part file. This is the part file. Right? So, see, well, just move your mouse, you will get the frame, right? You click, you get this one. Then you move to right hand side, click, you get right side view. Move to top, click, you get top view. Move here to click, you get a pictorial. So how easy it is, right? Then escape. You have all these three views. However, you don't have hidden line, you don't have center line, you don't have all dimensions, right? You have to go step by step. Let's read. Get front view as a base view. If it's not a good front view, change it to a good orientation. In this case, it's a good front. If it's not, you can change the views. For example, see, this is, you go for the right hand side, right? So you also change these views. But this is not a good front view, right? If you get such a thing, you just click and change the views here. You get for a good front. When you change the front view, all views, these views will be changed. Right? Read the next slide. See, the front view is the most important, is critical mistake if it's wrong. If necessary, use orientation or mirror to change. There is other way to change, right? Insert projection view, the top right and the pictorial. These, in general, it will be automatic. If it's not, say, I delete this. If you don't have the right side view, you pick this view. Right click, drawing view, insert, drawing view, projected view. So you get projected view. Look, it's the same. But in many cases, you will get these view automatically. If not, you go to insert, drawing view. So this is projected view. Look, when you drag the frame, the box, it can move, right? But they are always aligned. You will follow alignment principle. You can move up, down. You can only move right and left. This is same. You can only move up, down. You cannot move right and left. Because there is alignment principle. Right? So if, for example, I delete this one, then I insert model title. I'm sorry. not. Insert drawing view model. You pick this again, right? If you make another independent view, right? Say I change it to front view, the right side. In that case, you see, you can move anywhere because it is not projected from here. It is independent from your part. Therefore, alignment is not followed. If in that case, this is a major mistake, critical mistake, because they are not aligned. Look, they are not aligned, right? So it is wrong. This one. I pick this view, then go to insert, drawing view, projective view. Then it will always be aligned. Right? Okay. Read the next one. The top view and the right cell must be projected from front view so that the alignment rule will follow. They should not be independent from the front, right? Any changes in the front view is global, which means any change in front view will come also to top view, the right side. However, changing other views are local, only for them. What is it? For example, I want to get hidden line, right? I click this one, you scroll down, there is hidden line. You click hidden line will be everywhere. Because front view is global, in the first one, all the other views are projected from you. So your change in front view will go to other views. It is global change. However, we don't want a hidden line in pictorial. So I pick a pictorial, then change it back to solid line. So they are only solid line. You will not change these views. So changing in all other views will be local, only for that view. But changing in front view will be global to all views. Read next line. Change scale in the front view. It's global. The purpose is to make the 3D view as large as possible in order to show dimensions clearly. We have one page, right? So we want to make these views as large as possible. So it will be clearer, right? So in this case, it's small. What we do, change scale, click front view. Here is scale thing. Scale. Use custom scale, right? So there is different scale, right? So you can give any ratio. You can pick from all these scales. You also can enter any of the scale. It's someone to someone, something to something. You can say 1.5 to 2.1, or whatever it is, right? But let's see what is become large. 1.2, 1.8 become even smaller. 1.2 is this large. 1.1 is too large, right? So I can change it to 1.125. Maybe it is a good scale. Should be as large as possible. All right, if too small, you will lose points. Okay. Read next slide. It's a major mistake if the three motives are not large enough. What?
Will you give us the scaling that we need to make the multi-views, or is it just kind of eyeballing it and seeing if it's fine?
You change the scale to front. It will go to all other views.
Yeah, but like on like a question or something, would you give us it needs to be at a one point?
No, I don't give you the ratio. You figure out your ratio yourself.
Is it possible that some could be different?
And possible, as large as possible,
Okay.
to fill the whole page. Make the isometric view smaller. Isometric view is just a reference in multi-views, right? So you don't need a larger one. So click this one, change the scale. Use custom scale. 1 to 2. 1 to 3. Too large. 1 to 4. Too small. So maybe 1 to 3. Or still a little too small. 2.5. Okay. So if this move to somewhere here. Why? Because we are going to get all dimensions. You need a space for dimensions, right? Make isolation smaller. Place each view to appropriate location. Right? If too close, you drag the box. You don't drag the put the middle. Drag the box. Right? Drag the box. Make them apart. So you have room, space for dimensions. For a hidden line for all views, global in front view, we already did. Right? Take hidden away, locally for isometric view, we did already. Take all tangent line away. Right click, tangent edge remove. See there are tangent line. You know, there are many tangent lines here. So pick this view, right click, tangent edge remove. Where is tangent edge? Here. Tangent edge remove. Right? And this view, tangent edge remove. And this view, tangent edge remove. And this view, tangent edge remove. You don't need to identify if there are tangent edge. Just do this one to all views. To remove all, see, there are no tangent line. Right? Next page. Add center lines. Center line and hidden lines are not come out automatically. They do not come out. You have to bring them out. So add a center line. For circle, there are two types of center line. Go to annotation, right? go to send mark. These are for circles. Just click circle. So you get all these center lines for the circle. Now go to annotation. Done. Annotation. Center line. Select the view. I'll select this view. See all center line. Select this view. Center line. And then you get all center lines. Right? You can also sketch center line. Right? No center line if arc less than 180. Okay, now about dimensions we will learn next time. Right? So today we learn up to here. Right? And add the dimensions and the text. Say here you have to put your name, the part name, date.